Welcome to the first tutorial out of a number of tutorials in how to use Arduino. Now, what is Arduino? Well, I'm glad you asked. Very good questions, very intelligent students. Arduino is a microcontroller. What does that mean? Far out, you're asking all the best questions. I'm glad you asked that. So, a microcontroller is able to be programmed. It's a computer chip. And it's able to be programmed and it's able to control a variety of input and output devices. So if we just go into Arduino, here is the Arduino website, and this is what we call Arduino Uno. We're actually going to be playing around with the Arduino Uno virtually, like a virtual computer-based Arduino Uno, but in reality, when we're programming, we're going to be using the Arduino Nano, which is a smaller version of this. And there's the big chip here that we can program, and it's got input and output things that we can add into it. It'll make more sense as we go through. If you don't have this software already, you'll need to download it. So what you need to do is you go Software, Downloads, and from there you can start this process straight away by downloading it. And what you want to do is come down here to Arduino 1.8, and if you're using Windows, then you want to install this one just here. So you select on it and it will start the process of downloading, and then once it's all downloaded, you actually run the download and actually load it onto your computer. So that's the first thing that we're going to be doing. It may ask you for a donation. It's up to you if you want to donate. You can just say just download here and it'll start downloading. All right, so after you've downloaded this and you've run it and you've totally got that piece of software on your computer ready to go, we're going to come across to another piece of software that you will need. So create a new tab, and I'd like you to type in Blockly. So Blockly, Duino, Duino, and enter into a Google search. From there, it's the first one you click on. Okay, so it goes to the Chrome Web Store, and I've already downloaded this extension to Chrome because you can only do this in Chrome. You select on this to download the software and it will download it. And then my suggestion is, after you've downloaded it, that you will need to create a shortcut on your desktop. That's very easy to do. We just come up here and we select on this tab and come over here to the apps in Chrome, and it should be just here. And you right click and you say create shortcut, and then it'll create a shortcut on your desktop. This leads me to my next explanation about these tutorials. They're designed for you to pause it and do what I've said. Pause it and do what I've said. And that's the way they're designed. Okay, last little bit of information that you need to do before we really get cracking on this is you'll need to create a Tinkercad account. So you need to log into www.tinkercad.com and then sign up. Once you've signed up to that, you're ready to go. And that's really the first tutorial. It's just a part of you downloading the software, getting ready, creating a Tinkercad account, and creating a downloading a Blockly Duino extension. And that's the end of this tutorial. After you've done all those things, you can move on to the next.